Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 4506T, also known as the Request for Transcript of Tax Return. So this form is used when you need a copy of your tax transcript, which is often required for things like loan application, financial verification, or personal records. I'll walk you through this form step by step so that you know exactly what to enter. So first, open up the form on your screen so that you can follow along, and at the top, you'll see the title, Request for Transcript of Tax Return. Start with line 1, enter your full name exactly as it appears on your tax return. Then on line 1B, type your social security number. If you file jointly, move to line 2A and enter your spouse's name and then their social security number on line 2B. Next, go to line 3. So in here, you'll enter your current address. Make sure it matches the address the IRS has on file. And if your address is different from your last return, fill out 4 with your previous address. So in line 5 is optional. You only fill this out if you want the transcript sent to a third party like a bank or lender. Now, go to line 6. So this is where you choose the type of transcript that you need. You'll also enter the form number like 1040 and then select the correct option such as return transcript or record of account depending on your situation. After that, on line 9, enter the year or years you're requesting. You can request multiple years, but make sure that they are written in the correct format. And finally, scroll down to the signature section, sign and date the form. If it's a joint request, both individuals must sign. And once everything is complete, you can send the form to the correct IRS address or fax number listed on page 2. And that is it. That's how you fill out IRS Form 4506T step by step. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.